So I'm back with new video on latest Gulf jobs today, and in today's video you will get job for all the Gulf countries as well as for some European countries. And friends, as you know, I always try to bring more and more free recruitments for you guys in my every video. So in this video also you will see many free recruitments, so please don't skip, watch complete video so that you should not miss any opportunity. And about interview locations, interviews will be in Hyderabad, Chennai, Cochin, Mumbai, Delhi and Vadodara. So let's start. This posting is for Europe, Hungary. Interviews will be on 9th of September at Hyderabad. Position is cleaning staff and number of openings are 50. Salary is 700 euro. Age limit is 22 to 42 years, and free accommodation, transportation will be provided by company. 2 hours OT every day will be provided. You can see the mobile numbers and email ID is clearly mentioned in the posting. These mobile numbers are the WhatsApp numbers as well, so you can directly ping them on the WhatsApp. Next is for Saudi. The position is processing operations manager. Salary range is 15,000 to 18,000 Saudi Riyal. You can see the terms and conditions. Degree with minimum 10 years of experience in recycling and manufacturing industries. So you can send your documents in a single PDF file along with CV, passport and other qualification and experience documents. So this is also for Saudi. You can see the positions and salary range is given. Positions are MEP engineer, MEP supervisor, low current supervisor, low current technician and fire alarm technician. Interview will be online for this hiring. Accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Next is for Bahrain for a long-term project, and since this is a senior position, it is with the family status. So the position is divisional or plant production manager for steel and reinforcement manager. So the part of building material division, the salary range will be 1500 to 2000 Bahrain dinar. Bachelor degree in mechanical or industrial engineering, minimum 7 plus years of management experience in the steel industry, specifically in cut and bend. So friends, you can keep this requirement in mind. There are some other requirements also given, so you can read it carefully before you apply. You can see the mobile number and email ID. This information you will get in all the postings, so you can take a screenshot. Next is for Saudi. It's a free recruitment. Free food accommodation will be provided by company. The position is estimator, chemical cleaning, pre-commissioning, catalyst, industrial work, scaffolding, insulation, painting and refractory. So the qualification requirement is diploma or bachelor's degree in engineering, minimum 5 years experience in construction and maintenance project of oil and gas petrochemical industry. Direct client interview will be in Mumbai on 30th of August, and on 1st September it will be in Chennai. Next is for Saudi. Last requirement, online interview will be held for shortlisted candidates. So you need to send your document for shortlisting first. If it gets shortlisted, they will approach you for the final interview. So the positions are head of HR, head of human resources. Any graduate with minimum 12 years of relevant experience in HR and admin should have experience in managerial role. Experience in construction sector is preferred. Next position is engineer design scaffolding. Attractive salary with free food and accommodation. Next is for Qatar. It is also free recruitment, and client interview will be held shortly in Mumbai. Positions are pipe fabricators, internal welders, fire and hole watch, welding foreman, rigging foreman, piping foreman, flange technician, and mechanical column tray fitters. So all candidates should have Gulf experience with 3 to 4 years of turnaround shutdown in oil and gas, refinery and petrochemical projects. Free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Next is for Qatar. Yes, we have read this posting right. Next is for Oman, large requirements. This is for a light vehicle dealer, automobile dealer in Oman. You can see the positions: service engineers, foreman, service consultant, business development executive, body repair estimators, technical advisors, automobile technicians, senior technicians, and you can see the other requirements, other positions as well. Shortlisting in progress, so you can send your documents for shortlisting. All senior positions should have degree or diploma in automobile or mechanical engineering. Remaining trades, ITI or equivalent qualification will be considered. Next is for Qatar. It's a free recruitment. So friend, as I told you earlier also, I always try to bring more and more free recruitments. So please don't skip the video, watch complete video. There are more free recruitments in the video. So this is for Qatar, and the positions are API inspector, refractory supervisor, safety officer, and refractory foreman. All candidates should have experience in oil and gas industry, refractory. Attractive salary with free food and accommodation will be provided by company. You can see the positions. Their offices are in Mumbai, Baroda, Kochi, and Chennai. So if you are interested in any of these openings, you can approach your nearest branch. Next is for Saudi. Client interview shortly in Mumbai. So electrical industrial welder, civil engineer, and HSE officer or safety officer. So for these four positions, interview will be in Mumbai. Rest all positions, the interview will be virtual. So there will be an online interview for the remaining positions, from project manager civil to QC inspector scaffolding. So you can read the positions carefully. All candidates should have BE BTech in relevant stream with 12 to 15 years of experience in medium level contracting company, with experience in civil, electrical, construction, planning, resource management in oil and gas project. Next is for Kuwait. Client interview will be on 2nd September. So you can see the positions like instrument in different stream like planning technicians, workshop fitters, and electrical engineer, supervisor, senior technicians, and electricians, cable joiners. Like that for all other streams, you can see the positions. There are some positions for crane operators as well. All candidates should have degree, diploma, ITI with 3 to 5 years of Gulf experience in oil and gas and big refineries. So here is also multiple mobile number and email ID is mentioned in the posting. Next is for Abu Dhabi for oil and gas project NBTC. Client interview will be on 1st September in Ernakulam. You can see the positions. There are multiple openings. You can see all category jobs: senior, junior, mid-level, technical and non-technical also, like timekeeper. Free food and accommodation will be provided by company. This was for Abu Dhabi. Next is for Saudi. This is also free recruitment. Shortlisting in progress, online interview shortly. So friends, here also you can see there are many positions available like civil architect supervisor, electrical engineer, instrument supervisor, equipment engineer, HSE supervisor, insulation supervisor, piping supervisor, store supervisor, QC inspector in valve testing, then electrical, welding, and mechanical. So you can see other requirements as well. Attractive salary, free food, accommodation will be provided by company. This was for Saudi. Next is also for Saudi, and this is also going to be online interview. This is also free recruitment as well, so no service charge. Document controller, planning engineer and scheduling engineer, quantity surveyor, electrical, HSE officer, civil engineer, RTR piping engineer, structural engineer, piping supervisor, electrical engineer, admin executives, Aramco experienced, and admin executives, yeah, both are Aramco experienced. This is the duplication. So all candidate must have experience in Gulf countries, oil and gas, Aramco projects. Attractive salary and other benefits will be provided by company. This is for Bahrain. Shortlisting in progress. Online interview shortly. So the positions are maintenance technician, mechanical, electrical, and background, CNC machinist and programmer, PS thermoforming operator, PP thermoforming operator, and injection mold operator, steel extension operator. All candidates should have relevant experience. Attractive salary and other benefits will be provided by company. Next is for UAE. Client interview will be on 28th and 29th of August. Positions are driver light duty and driver heavy duty. Attractive salary, free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Next is for Saudi. This is also free recruitment. Shortlisting in progress. Online interview shortly. Positions are electrical technicians, mechanical technicians, diesel mechanic, auto electrician. Free food accommodation will be provided by company. Next is for Saudi. Shortlisting in progress. Online interviews will be there shortly. Positions are safety inspectors, safety engineers, and riggers. Relevant experience is required for all the positions. Food and accommodation will be provided by company. Next is for Kuwait, for a leading company, and interviews will be on first week of September in Mumbai. So the positions are document controller, manpower coordinator, transport coordinator, and accountant. So candidates should have degree and Gulf experience in oil and gas projects. Attractive salary and other benefits will be provided by company. Next is for Qatar, and the positions are valve foreman, 30 openings. Salary will be 2000 to 2500 Qatari Riyal plus overtime. QC inspector valve, salary will be 2500 to 3000 so Qatari Riyal plus overtime. This is 3-month shutdown project, so those who are looking for short-term job can definitely apply for this, and it's a completely free recruitment, so you no need to pay any charges. Next is for Saudi. The position is male nurse for medical center in Saudi Arabia. Number of openings are 10. You can see the other detail requirements are given. Salary will be 3500 Saudi Riyal plus 300 food allowance and 500 outside work allowance. You can see the contact numbers. This is going to be in Chennai. Next is for Saudi. There will be an online interview. You can see the multiple positions. Flow assurance engineer, DCS instrumentation engineer, instrument engineer for online analyzer, project engineer mechanical, senior project engineer mechanical and electrical, safety officer, piping design engineer, civil structural engineer, instrument design engineer, static design engineer, and rotating design engineer. Salary range is given below, like between 10 to 15 years of experience. Salary range will be 10,000 to 15,000 Saudi Riyal, and for 15 to 20 years of experience, salary will be 17,000 to 21,000 Saudi Riyal. Next is for Oman. This is also free recruitment. Client interviews will be on 1st September at Chennai. Position is junior engineer or trainee. You can see the job details. Strong English communication skill is required. Next is for Saudi, and this is for nurses, BSc nurse and GNM nurse. So interviews will be on 31st of August in Kolam. Salary range is 4,000 plus accommodation for BSc nursing candidates, and for GNM nurse it will be 3,800 plus accommodation. So you can see the contact numbers and email ID. Next is for warehouse positions for Saudi location. Interview will be on 28th of August at Calicut. Positions are warehouse executive and warehouse assistant. Age limit is 23 to 38 years. Next is for Oman. It's an urgent requirement for a restaurant. Sorry. So the interviews will be on 31st of August at Chennai. The detailed address is given. Positions are painter, plumber, tile mason, carpenter. Experience in maintenance field and Gulf experience is required. Next is for Abu Dhabi for oil and gas project. Salary for and the position is full TIG welders. Salary is 2,500 plus food and accommodation. 8 hours duty. Age limit is 45 years. Minimum 5 years of oil and gas experience is required. Interview will be in Cochin on 30th and 31st of August. So you can see the detailed address and contact numbers are given. Next is for Saudi. Position is salesman B2B. Salary will be 5,000 to 10,000 Saudi Riyal. Experience in manpower industry in Saudi Arabia and good communication skill is required. The candidate must have Saudi driving license as well. This is for Abu Dhabi. Zoom interview after CV shortlisting. So if you want to apply, you can send your CV on the email ID mentioned below. Position is scaffolding inspector. Salary is 5,000 dirham. Next is for Saudi. You can see the positions. Interview will be Zoom interview. So first you need to send your documents, and after shortlisting, they will call you for the Zoom interview. Positions are steel fabricators, CNC operator, safety officer, CNC programmer, and electors, maybe electricians. Next is for Saudi again, and these are some other positions like surveyor, man lift operators, scaffolders, and QA/QC engineers. So you can see number of openings and salary plus detailed job description is also given. So friends, as I told you, if you face any difficulties in reading out the job posting after zoom in, also if you are not able to read out, in my every video the link of my WhatsApp group is given in the description, so you are welcome to join that group and you can ask for any of this detail and I'll share that with you on the group. So thank you friends for watching complete video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you should get daily job alerts. Thank you.